We are going to go canvassing for Prop 139.
Melissa Hahn has been knocking on doors for weeks. Her goal, to inform voters about Proposition 139, a citizen-driven initiative on the Arizona ballot.
We're going to leave some literature for you, and we hope that you guys will get out and vote if you haven't already.
If it passes, abortion would become a constitutional right in the state of Arizona, making it legal up to fetal viability as opposed to a standard 15-week limit currently. Melissa and Sherry believe the amendment is necessary.
Women that are pregnant, that if they have a miscarriage and if it's after 15 weeks, they're not going to be able to get the care they need.
And just think about the grief and suffering of those women that are forced to go through a pregnancy like that and know the baby's either dead or going to be dead.
Activists are using other methods too, like this group of women who gathered in Phoenix to write postcards to hundreds of voters.
Join me this Tuesday, November 5th, and let's protect women's rights.
Although progressives are hoping the referendum on abortion will galvanize and bring out supporters of Kamala Harris, many fear this proposition may not be enough if Donald Trump prevails.
State by state, these things won't matter eventually. Like if he is elected, if the people behind him want to do the damage they want to do.
Opponents of the proposition may have less funding, but they're still getting their message across in the streets and near polling stations.
Please vote against it. They're trying to legalize abortion up until birth in our state.
Katarina is campaigning against the amendment. She believes the current law is more than enough and that supporters are hiding their true intentions.
I mean, why would we want to dismember a human being right before it's born? A woman is already privileged and by law to receive that kind of care, whether or not Proposition 139 passes. Proposition 139 has been a misinformation campaign, and they're feeding off of the fear of women.
A poll published last month says 59% of Arizonans support the proposition.